Hello, beautiful people. I'm here. I'm just gonna adjust the lighting a little bit, so just give me 2 more seconds, alright? Hi! I think I fixed it. I think I got it alright now. Should be better. Guess what I'm rocking today? Guys just got us a fuck the NFP hat, so I don't even know how to say it. Do we call it a merge? Do we start saying like, listen, we're doing merch for you guys, or what is it, guys? So please pass by and explain, you know? No, jokes aside, Gus gave these hats to everybody in the office today, which is hilarious, which is funny. So I'm enjoying it, you know. So we're gonna rock it today for the live stream. Hope you guys are good. Are we? Question mark. I'm not sure if I'm excited in terms of what I see in the markets at the moment. I'm not too excited, to be fair. I'm adjusting the camera angle a little bit to make it nicer, to make it better. I'm not certain if I'm excited. Very, very honest with you. We're in a weird spot because I was expecting a lot more of a push to the upside right here that we're not really getting, so a bit of a difficult situation. So, bum. I'm just trying to figure. No, everything is good. So, diving into this kinda. Keyword, kinda. Right now, I'm not too certain with what to expect. We didn't create a swing high, a new swing high here. We didn't create an SMT, but we're breaking the structure to the downside right now. That I'm not excited at all. And we're drawing towards lower prices as well, which is like, huh? Do we actually need this? You see? So right away, when I see this, what I'm doing, I'm going into I'm going here. Forex Factor. Let's check the news calendar again. 10 a.m. new home sales. Whatever that is. We're gonna have to keep it in mind, I guess. We're gonna have to consider this, sadly. Sadly. But it is what it is, you know. What else are you gonna do? So my FX book, let's check it as well. I don't need you. Where's the calendar? Here we go. So on this one we get double news. New home sales, new home MO, whatever. So we're gonna have to wait. That's what we're gonna do out here. And I'm not sure if I'm liking the hat already because it's freaking warm in here. Where should I put it? Should I put it on the mic like that? I like the hat. I like the hat. That's what we're gonna wear for the actual NFP. That will be fun. No? Elsewise, bit of an adjustment. I get that corner of the ceiling if I put my whole head in this. Which is cool. I don't mind it too much. So, hello everybody. Hello everybody joining in. Welcome to the stream. I'm Ignas from Daily Pips Trading and we're here as we always gather together to do a little bit of live price action, to a little bit of live price delivery and execution. So we're basically here just to have a little bit of fun. Hope you don't mind me. And yeah, hate the fact that we're looking for lower prices right now. I really wanted the market to continue higher and make a swing high up here. If that would have been delivered, beautiful. Everything is cool then for this. Yes, buy side is taken. Yes, we're inverting an hourly fair value gap. Yes, yes, and yes. And work with this. This is so juicy. This is so good. Like, oh, watch this. This is beautiful. I like this. But what do we get out of it? Last line of defense right here. And if this breaks, like, we're just going. We're just winging, you know? So, watch this. I like this double top. We noted that a while ago. I like how we got to this sell side resting bill. All is good. I'm not saying no to any of this. All cool by me. All fine by me. Market is trading in sync as well, which is brilliant. Which is great. We want to see that. Now, this for the last 2 hours, 3 hours. I'm not too happy with it. I'd love this to happen during the session, not before starts like we have it right now, you know? Well, let's see. See if we can find any support. Because right now, the only thing that I'm interested is going long. Like, we're so deep in a discount sell side though resting right. And we're kind of getting a entry right now as well. Watch this. High, low, high, lower, low. Swing low broken. Imbalance. So let's watch this. If this breaks, becomes interesting. I'm watching this. There's no SMT. This is precisely exactly the same set, like price deliver, right? There's no difference between these two. Happy to see your face every day. Happy to see your name every single day, man. Thank you for passing by. Thank you, man. Oh, dude, it's good. It's good to see you, man. It's good to see you. Hope you're alright. Hope you're Hope you're not struggling too much today, because it is a sad day for trading because we're not getting what we want to see, right? I can't come in here saying, yeah, I know what the market is going to do next. I can't, so I'm waiting. Pushing higher from this. Can we work with that? You know my opinion about the first value gap that gets broken. I hate taking those. I'm in real life, I'm not. In real life, I'm the first guy who's gonna jump out of the window if we have to, you know? I don't care about that. I don't mind doing that. In real life. In front of a chart, this is not reality. Let's put it that way, you know? This we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna show you around. Here, I'm way too careful, you know? It helps. Long run, it helps. Bunches. Same time. I'm good for now. Last line of defense held. Yeah, it did. What do we want to see now? We want to see the structure being. If we're gonna attack that buy side resting above. That's a big if for today. I'm not certain about it. But what I want to see this broken in the next 2 minutes. That would be great. Are we? This? Are we? Are we? Are we? Who knows? I'd love to see that. Can't say no to that, you know, but. One more minute to go. Again, when I say it out loud, market is just about to open up, so gotta be careful. Gotta be incredibly careful because of that. So let's allow the market to open up, and we're just gonna go into what we've done so far for the day. Push to the upside is very reasonable, so let's watch it. Hi Tiger. Hello man. Hope you're good. Triple top up here. Yep. Watch that closely. Watch that. Nothing interesting is happening right now, so I'm just gonna go into this, I think. So what we've done so far today, we're $65 up. Silly me. But we went long here from this. I liked it. I like how long it held in the price, so I just went in. And with that, in mind. I kind of was watching that higher time frame buy side liquidity pool, maybe to shoot up there, maybe not. I wasn't too certain, so I just went in. But we got out at break even, and us going out at break even offered even a short entry. This buy stops being taken, break of structure down here, fair value gap opening up, short. You see? So I went short. I was holding on to this. I held through this and everything. And Gus was in my office here. And I literally just pressed the button, flatten it all. And by accident I closed the trade here at 65 bucks. I don't know. It just happened. So yeah, 65 bucks up. And what are we watching? We're watching that 5-minute inversion happening. That will be cool. We're watching an SMT here at the lows as well. Exciting day in front of us. Maybe not. We'll see. Dollar is just booming. This is an hour. Yeah. Like this. So let's see if we can find a top here. That would allow NQES to shoot higher. I like that. This annoying. But sell side taken. So if I would have something to ring a bell with now, beautiful. What did we call in the weekly outlook on euro? We called for 6.677 to be delivered. Guess what we got? Precision, beauty, lovely stuff. Now making a turn, that would be appreciated. So let's see. GU shooting lower for that sell side resting below, reasonable as well. We're back at it. We're back looking at a market that is not in sync, because we want these bad boys to move together in tandem. I want to see that. We're getting this for a second day in a row. Yesterday was a very hard day to read initially as well, because we were not moving together. YMU, what's doing? It's probably it's moving higher rapidly. I hate YM. Like, bleh. Prefer ES a lot better. So we're possibly getting an inversion here. Possibly. Keyword possibly. We're possibly getting a 5 minutes inversion as well. This can be fun. And Q not offering that though. Only ES. Well, let's see. SMT into an inversion, that's something that I take 24/7. If it's in the right time, I'm taking it. I don't mind. New week opening gap, initial target, let's go. Even this, that is good enough for me. So let's see. 5 handles initially would be just quite alright for me to play with before the news. But for SMT and inversion like this, I don't care whether we have news, whether we don't. It doesn't really matter. If it inverts, I go. And you've seen it way too many times. But I know for a fact that I win more than compared to what I lose, so I'm just literally just taking. I don't put much thinking into it. I see it, I take it. Very, very simple things. Makes my life very easy as well in front of the chart. So I think what we're gonna do, we're not going to overdo this. Yeah. Not be greedy. Let's do 5 handles. 5 handles is gonna be enough. 250 bucks is gonna be more than enough for me. Or let's do that double top. Oh, that is juicy. I didn't even see this. Double top, 5.75 handles. Let's fucking go. I'm putting my hat on now. Fuck the NFP. Oh, this is becoming fun. This is becoming awesome. 5 minutes inversion, possibly. Let's see if we can get that. If we get this, I'm falling in love with what we're doing already. If we don't, fine by me. Be nice, come on. Can it consolidate just back and forth out here where we are at right now with these? So I'm just waiting it out in a way. No expectations. But this is a model, you know. 1 minute inversion after an SMT, I take it pretty much 6 hours straight throughout the day. Whether it's an opening range, whether we're in a macro or not, doesn't matter for me. Could spend a little bit more time trying to understand when these trades are good, when these trades are worse. But for me, it works. What you have to understand though is that you can go into very long in terms of many trades in a row, periods of drawdown doing this. And that makes it difficult. That makes it very tough on you. So yeah, you don't want to be in that situation. But then Q looks to be inverting as well in that 5 minutes. So is this an entry? The question is. Because of the news, I won't touch it. But this is a 5 minutes inversion in Q happening. This is awesome. I think we're bottoming out. I think this is the low for today. Possibly. Possibly. We have news in a bit. So 5 minutes inversion happened. $20 handles proper stop loss. Yeah. And we're watching that higher time frame bias to be panning out. Very simple. But I'm in the trade, so give it a little bit of time. Am I saying I'm going to be right by taking this? Nah. Nah. You know the risk. You know the risk of doing this perfectly. I like this entry on NQ though. I like this. Not touching it though. Because I'm in ES already, so I'm not touching this. So we're gonna enter on Euro. Possibly. We'll see. Possibly. Keyword possibly. Hey Joe. Hi. How are you, man? Good to see you. I'm wearing this silly hat. So I'm watching still this inversion. I'm watching this possible push to the upside, but the closer we're gonna get to the news, the more eager I'm gonna become for taking this off. And I literally have it lined up for the 10 a.m. news that not excited to hold a trade throughout that period. NQ panning out nicely. We're all good there, okay? Euro, I like the structure getting broken. I like the fact that daily sell side was taking. I love that. And next to that, we're getting a YouTube 2022 entry, which is brilliant. So I'm watching Euro closely now, just to show you around a little bit. Right here. Possible fair value gap opening up as well. Swing high taken. Retrace into an entry possibly. We'll see. NQ doing wonders for us so far. NQ just being very nice to us. So first opening for the session kind of getting done here. Yeah. This inversion and everything that happened before the opening. Yeah. So we're not interested in this. A lot more juicy. Is good. So keep it to your notes as well. This is one big ass order block, 933 to 934. Put it to your notes. Watch this. And I hate the fact that I'm in a wrong market. And I know why. Who's gonna tell me why I'm wrong by taking a buy on ES instead of NQ? This is a fun question to answer. Who's gonna tell me? ES is still gonna get there. I'm not saying no to this. Make a guess. No. Who's gonna make a guess why I am wrong by taking ES instead of NQ? And I just realized that myself. Who's gonna guess why NQ is delivering so much higher than ES is right now? It's working anyways. Yes, it is. But man, watch. SMT here, right? What does SMT do? SMT explains us directly, says to us, okay, there's a discrepancy. There's going to be a trade entry. We got that. We got an inversion. We got 5 minutes inversion. We have an inversion here. We got entries on both charts. But NQ is literally saying us, buddy, I'm going to be a lot stronger. Yes, a lot weaker. And I miss that and I place a trade on a weaker pair that is struggling to go higher. This indicates that NQ is a lot stronger than ES. Booming higher. It's alright though. ES is gonna follow. It's gonna get there. But too bad. I'd love to be in NQ. This is insane. This is very good. Yes, it's the bad cop, man. I like it. I like it. I like it. No, it's good. Yeah, so because the market literally talks to you. Every single candle talks to you. Every single candle tells you a story. It gives you something to work with 24/7. Like that's the goal of every single candlestick. This says ES is a lot weaker than in Q. Should be in this instead of that. It's fine. 5 minutes, looking good. We're gonna get to that take profit, but look how nasty this is, and Q is. Yeah. Annoying, huh? You guys that have been with me for a while now should know, like, I don't care about taking a loss. I don't care about winners, losers. All I care about is perfecting my ability to read the market. This was not a perfect execution by me. This 250 on the main account, which is shitloads of money on every single other account, is not perfect. And I hate that. I'm not happy with taking a profit here. Literally. I should be in NQ. But it is what it is. So we take what we get. We offered an SMT. We offered an inversion after that SMT. We're looking at the market who is bound to go higher. Yeah. All happy with that. And what do we have? Have a double top up here. Random. Come on. One more tick. 2 ticks. Thank you. Let's go. Nuh-uh. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Booked. Let's go, man. Let's fucking go. Good stuff. Let me flatten everything. The session hasn't even started. I'm up way too much money. Which is good. Which is good. We're back on track. Back on track. On track. I missed this. I had a very rough week last week, so I missed this, man. I need this. Who's rich, baby? Huh? I'm watching here. I have you guys on my right hand side. Who's rich, baby? Who's rich? You should be taking this away also. Like, you don't want to do it during the news. You're not interested. You're not. You let it rip without you now. If it rips, it rips. You don't care. 20 handles, man. 50 handles. Who the fuck cares about more? You're good. Right? I'm putting my euro on break even as well. Just we'll get to it later. We'll fix that account later. It's fine. 5 minutes. Conversion happened. Can we push lower from where we are at right now? Easy. Like, there's nothing saying that this couldn't top and go lower now. I want this though. 20.086. That's what we called for yesterday. I want to see that happening. I want to see that delivering. Pow, 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 pow. Let's go. Oh, Thomas, welcome back. Welcome back to reality. How was your trip? How did you enjoy your time, man? Huh? How are you? Stop, man. What am I watching, man? What am I watching? I'm watching Addiction. Way too much. Wait, oh my god. Oh yeah. I can't believe it. Like, man, you have to realize, right? Like, I told this story bunches of time, but So for those who don't see it on Discord, there's Rokas is literally driving his Tesla right now, and he has the live stream on his monitor, which is insane. But anyhow, I remember still, like when I left for Thailand, we were talking with Gus, saying that I'll just show up every single day. Let's see what happens. If people are interested, I'm just happy to do this because I'm having fun, literally. You guys show up, some friends show up, some friends already stopped showing up because they got bored and everything, you know. Not everybody is interested in what we have to say here as well. And this drives me crazy, man. It's so good. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here. I feel like you're having fun, so I won't even ask, you know? Oh, yeah. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. So, 2 minutes on news. Kinda restart. That's good, man. That's good. That's good. So, 1 more minute to go. And let's see what we have. Can we punch lower from where we at? Easy. Why? We're at equilibrium. Nothing good happens at equilibrium, at least for me. I know some of you guys like trading equilibriums, so please feel free. But right now, I'm watching these imbalances. Everything above them is bullish. Anything below them is becoming bearish. Very simple. Very, very simple. So I'm gonna let the news release. I'm gonna let the news do the work without us, please. And then we're gonna execute. We're gonna have our own fun, you know? I hope my euro sticks. Have euro at break even. I hope this is the bottom. I hope this is it and it shoots up. I'm tired of forex, to be fair with you. Nothing good happens in forex for the last like 10 months already. 11 maybe. Since August last year, so we're getting to a year of bad price action in forex. Annoying. But it is. Can it rip higher from here? Easy. Can we participate in this right now? Is this a buy entry right now? No. It's an entry call, you don't know what's gonna happen. No? We wait. We wait. Again, we see structure is getting broken on ES. Markets that are not moving in tandem. We want to see togetherness. We want to see camaraderie, you know? We want to see them building that friendship. All together, nicely, tucked in. Not like this, why did we go below this fair value? Like, well, what's the point of it? But, volume imbalance out here, holding in the price. We're good. Now, we wait. We wait more. We wait for the real entry now, okay? I like this. Oi. But I'm not even sure if I'm gonna touch it anymore. I'm taking a look at where accounts are. Accounts are in such a... Considering what kind of week I had left. We're 1% up for every single account. I don't know, man. Let's wait it out a little bit. If I enter next trade, so this is gonna be interesting. A lot of people now being in a profit would say, okay, have a cushion that I can play with. And a lot of people would allow themselves to get into a situation where they would risk the capital that they just made. Yeah? I never ever allow myself to do that. If I would open a trade right now, I would risk even less than I risked on the previous trade. My job is to preserve capital. You know? I'm not interested in making more compared to what I just did. So I'm gonna need even a better position than what we had right now to enter. Sounds weird, but that's me. That's me in a nutshell, man. Let me fix the euro position and be with you in a moment, okay? Retracement back into this would be an entry for me on NQ. But gotta be careful. I'm talking to myself now, as well as to SMT here. And I'm not too keen on overdoing it today. I got burned way too many times because I tried too much last week. Very simply put. Could be in a lot better situation than I. And you have to understand the fact that I'm totally cool with it as well. A lot of people will be posting how they entered here, got to the top, take profit, 20,086, you know. Massive trades, 150 handles, thousands of dollars made. I don't give two fucks about it. I'm good with 250 every single day because I know I can make it every single fucking day. You know what I mean? Big difference. I won't chase. I won't chase unless it really gives it to me. What is that euro doing? Sorry about this, but I always come back to it. Dollar index. Pushing lower, totally reasonable. I like that. Euro. That one is just a sad trade. GU. We might just push a lot lower on GU, which will be sad. It's fine. Stick. We're stick to it. So silver bullet was offered. Yeah. This is the silver bullet that I was kind of mentioning. For me though, can't work with this. Stop loss way too high. But this is the silver bullet. If you guys trade silver bullets, if keyword, if I'm not. I have a feeling that in Q we are going for 4-hour liquidity on the upside and we will reject down to that downside from fair value. What do you think? So, very good, Ignas. I go to power of 3. Our target initially this week was here. Sell side liquidity pool. Yeah, we got to that. We got to sell side liquidity down here. Happy with it. Immediately I'm looking for higher prices. Why? Because everybody who went short here is happy. I don't want to see no happy faces. Even though I'm smiling, I don't want to see happiness in the market. Tuesday love of the week. Do we appreciate that? We love that. And we break the structure. YouTube 2022 model entry on our chart. Yeah. Partial. On hourly. If you're an hourly trader, partial. Everybody is happy up until this point now. That's where we're looking for. Otherwise, if this holds in the price, we're failing and we're going lower immediately. But watch this on ES. Look how we're gonna get. So what you're saying, we're gonna shoot higher and then reject lower? 98%. I'm up for that. Why? Because this liquidity down below. Why this works? Why going higher from here towards buy stops works? Because we have an SMT. The whole weekly analysis, the whole analysis I need. You know? Double top on a yes, that's just so juicy. I'm very incredibly happy I didn't take a second trade yet. Because right now I would be wondering, so what do I do? Do I take it off? Do I risk it? What's happening? Yada yada, you know? I don't want. I'm happy I'm not in the trade. But watch it. Let's watch what happens next. Let's read the price. What are you guys thinking though? Do you like upside objectives? And yes, I love it actually. Look at this. 5552. It's not gonna stick. That's just, it's not gonna work. Look what I found. Pew, pew. And, I found our best friend order block. Now this is going to be such a nice day. Like all of this side. Every PD array that we want to see respected for the price to respect. And that is everything is like a given now. So far. So far. Oh, so far. You weren't. I'm gonna, if I enter, it's gonna be an awesome trade. A trade that I know is gonna give. We're up for today. If I finish a day with the profit that I have, I'm kind of asking myself, if the day finishes now, am I happy? More than happy. More than enough, you know? Oh. I'm just gonna wait continuously, yeah? If you're able to, I suggest you exactly the same. This new week opening gap holding in the price. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Dangerous for that possibility of the market going high. Right? Gus, hi. Hope you're good, man. Hope you're good. I was just showing off your present. Fuck the NFP. I don't know. I love the hat, man. I love it. It's good. It's way too warm to sit in front of a light and everything with it, but we're gonna have to rock it for the NFP itself, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Happy you like it. Sorry I missed the start of the stream. Did you take ES or NQ3? I unfortunately took ES. We called NQ as well next to it, right? But you should have taken the NQ because NQ showed strength compared to weakness on ES. So I took a wrong trade, so I'm not happy. I'm literally not happy with myself. So sounds weird, but you know. Now they're gonna chase your stop loss. Yeah. I'm not in this. I'm not in this, man. I'm not in this. I'm watching this. Let me take this off. Okay. You're not in a trade. Yeah? No trades, no nothing. Yeah, profit is profit. 100% agreed with you, man. I very much agree with you. And we did it even before the session itself started. So. Even better. You know? No, we didn't do something, guys. So we took a trade and we profited. What do? We leave a like to the video, to the live stream itself, you know? I would highly appreciate that. So if you don't mind, press that like button. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We go live pretty much every single day. If I'm not disturbed by life happening overall, you know? But yeah, day in, day out, and we do this. We go even into deeper things on Discord, so if you want to join a community that is doing this together, suffering together, working together, learning together, feel free to pass by. Everything should be in the description down below. Twitter, Discord. We even have Apex funding discount codes now, which is the rock and roll, you know? I'm 1% up on that Euro trade, but it's 1% less than I had this morning. Yeah, we went 2% into a drawdown on forex today. Not proud, but you see it all on Discord, so saying it out loud, you can do the numbers. So I'm missing 1 more percent, and I'm right now wondering whether I should stick to it or I should get out. I like the setup so far. So and that's when I'm glancing to my right hand side so much. I have the trade itself out there, so yeah. Tiger, massive. Thank you. Holy, life-saving. Thank you. No, I don't know why it happened, but when I reset so I have 2 Ninja Trader terminals. I trade with half of the accounts on one setup and the half of it is on another setup. So basically there's two servers in front of me, just GPS servers running. Half of it is translated into this account right above me, and that I execute half of the trades from, right? I on purpose have two setups, so when I start fucking around, I don't influence too much. You know, just me handling the risk, my way of doing it. And so the second part of the setup is being handled by my top step account, you know. And that Ninja Trader platform just kind of totally reset for me before I went to the coast, and I came back now and I don't even remember how to set it up properly, and Tiger just helped me out, so we're good. Thank you. I'm really thinking about, so since I said it a lot, I just took off that euro trade. I was gonna say I'm really thinking about taking that trade off, and when I realized I'm about to say it out loud, I just pushed the button and took it off. So let me. What happened with the euro trade? I love the fact that dollar index runs through buy side. This is daily buy side. Back into an hourly range and old new week opening gap that held the price in place. Yeah. Because of that, I'm watching what? I'm watching euro. Of this. And what do we see on euro? We see an inversion after sell side is taken. Plus, we have an SMT. Euro took sell side compared to pound. Yeah? Enter up here. Down here, not up here. Enter. I was running for those equal highs, and I kind of just said, fuck it, I don't care. It will be good enough. So that's the trade for me on euro. And I'm saying it out loud now, guys. That's it for me today. I'm not gonna touch it. I literally just closed that trading account, so watch this. Boop. Shouldn't be there. Wait, how is it out there? How is it possible that it's out there? I literally closed that window. That is weird. Should be stuck. Totally stuck, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Weird. I literally closed that window. But what I'm saying, I'm not gonna touch this anymore. We're gonna read the price. We're gonna continue hanging out here. I'm happy to do it. We're not gonna touch it. Okay? What I wanted to do, we can do something fun. We can do something fun, guys. So, we haven't done it for a while. We've done it last week, yeah? Let me take this fucking hat off. I like the hat, I do. Not saying no to that. I like the hat, but at the same time, It's silly. What I haven't done, I haven't looked at price on Monday. Monday was an interesting trading day. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna jump in and we're gonna backtest it. If you don't mind. And this is the reality of this. I just said that we're not gonna trade anymore today. Half of the people left the stream already. Which is funny, but it's cool. Let's do some backtesting. Let's do some backtesting and let me get to the... Where is Monday trading? Well, I'm being totally honest with you. I haven't looked at Monday trading at all. But let's jump into this and let's try to understand what do we have in terms of Monday, what offered. This is literally gonna be me looking at the price for the first time. Okay. So what do we have? We have... Whoa. Error occurred. Why does it say error occurred? I don't want no errors, man. Let's go back for squid. I wanted to record this so we can post it on Discord, you know? I can't turn it off, so what am I supposed to do now? It's neither filming, neither it's working, so we're just gonna have to do it this way, sadly. Bam. So let's see. Let's go to the opening range. I'm not interested in this. So before the market opens up, what do we know? We know very simple truth. That we're interested in lower prices. This was in the weekly outlook. We called for lower prices on the weekly outlook itself. We were interested in lower prices delivering. Yeah? Very, very simple. We got that. We know that for a fact. But it makes it backtesting difficult when we know it delivered. But I'm being honest to you guys. I'm being honest to myself as well. We looked for lower prices. We wrote that 19,760 and a half precisely is going to be delivered this upcoming week. So, jumping into it. Take a look. $9.30 opening up in a bit. Boom, we have it, right? So what do we see? We have a sell side liquidity pool here. I would note this. I would be interested in that being taken, possibly. Otherwise, what is happening? The price is being supported out here. Yeah. So what? Let's watch what the opening does. That supports the price continuously. Push to the upside. I would be noting this carefully now. And we fail. Where do we fail? Is this a random top? No, it's not. It's an old new week opening gap. We're fine by that. And we're delivering lower right away. Sell side taken, push to the upside. So I'm noting another thing now. This is a breaker block. Everything above it bullish. Still, same draw on liquidity. What kind of draw on liquidity? Higher. Short term, only short term. I'm watching this. I wouldn't be in the trade because it's Monday, it's no news. I'm doing this because Monday without news drivers, we don't trade, so I'm checking on what we missed. Bam, delivered. How fucking random is that? You know? I'm having fun. I'm having bunches of fun. Buy side taken. What do we consider this? We consider this push to the upside a Judas swing. All of this move to the higher, to the upside, is a Judas swing. We're happy with it. Yeah. My computer is dying because that loom is just killing it. I can't turn it off.